everyone. I am here with the drawing of the journals, and since I'm late, I'm going to give away another mini Daphne's Diary journal. And we're definitely going to do this old school way because, yeah, my computer sucks. So I printed out all the comments and numbered them 1 through, I can't remember how many there is. I think 778 or something like that. So I have my granddaughter here, Savannah. Say hi, Savannah.
Hi.
Put your hand under there and say hi. She is going to draw. I have all the numbers in here, and I'm going to shake it up and lift it up so she can't see in there. Oopsie, get in there. And she's going to draw for the first winner here. Let's see. Let me mix them up first. Okay, I'm going to lift it up so you can't see. Reach in there, steer them up a little bit. Steer them up all really good. Okay, get one. Okay, which number is that?
51.
Okay, don't put it back in there. Let's see. I'm going to flip through these pages and find 51. And it is I don't know how to say that. I am so sorry. But if that is you, please contact me. You are the winner of the large junk journal, Daphne Diary junk journal, the giveaway. I will cut that out right now and put it in the journal. Yeah, I'm very old school. So, yeah. Yay! I put that on there. That is the winner. She is the winner of the large Daphne Diary journal giveaway. Okay, I'll set that aside. And now we're giving away the one with the butterflies on it. You set that out, right? Okay. Let me stir it up again. Okay, ready? Mm-hmm. Go ahead.
It's number 45.
Number 45. Oh, you're close range. Oh. Okay, let's see. Let me cut that one out. Okay, number 45 is Text Judy. She is the winner, and if you're watching, hopefully you're watching, get a hold of me, and yeah, you're the winner of the butterfly mini. I'm not going to even try to say some of these names because I don't know, and I'm so sorry. I feel so bad about it. Okay, let me stir up this again, and we have one more. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Stir them up. I'm holding it up close so she doesn't be able to see. 101. She can't read my writing, sorry. My writing sucks. 101. Let's see who that is. That is... Okay, let me cut this out. I'm definitely old school around here, let me tell ya. Okay. That is Jamie Parady. Yeah, you are the winner of this little mini. Super duper cute. So hopefully you ladies get a hold of me. I'll give you I don't know, till next week or Monday maybe to get a hold of me, and then I'll redraw if no one gets a hold of me for these because I need y'all's address. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching my channel and supporting me, and I hope y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.